The topic of our group project is Intelligent Traffic and Pedestrian Management System. The project deals with traffic time wastage problem as well as tackles pedestrian safety issues. When there is no traffic light detected on road, why it should be green light, wasting time and energy of other vehicles that are waiting for red light. So to deal with this issue, we develop a system where we place a ultrasonic sensor which detects the vehicle. As there is no vehicle detected, the signal will be normal like as usual, and when no vehicle detected, it will be red. For example, if there is a vehicle, the signal will be green, and if there is no vehicle, it will be red. To deal with pedestrian safety issue, we added a IR sensor which detects pedestrian crossing the road, and the signal will not turn green till the pedestrian crosses the road, and while pedestrian is crossing the road, the buzzer will buzz for greater information. We have also added servo motors, barriers and joystick for manual control. For example, if there is a pedestrian crossing the road and it comes in front of this IR sensor, the signal will be red. Even if there is a vehicle on the road and an ultrasonic is detecting it, and if pedestrian comes in between, it will be red. The highest priority will be given to pedestrian while it is crossing the road. As this sensor starts working, all the other sensor will stop, and we have also given servo motors for barriers and joystick for manual control. As you can see, when it is green light, the buzzer is start buzzing, and when it is green, it will stop. Yeah. As this all this is run by Arduino and a 9-volt external power supply, and it is running on this code where all the information about the detection of all the sensors, the information by ultrasonic sensor, it is all here. Thank you. The group consists of 3 members: Shafin Pathan, Ketki Thakare and Ishita Saure. Thank you.